This tutorial will show you how to automatically scale a Niagara system which has been added to a blueprint as a component directly from the editor. So for example, let's say I have the following blueprint with the Niagara system and I want to scale it. If I scale it, you can see that the interior part of my Niagara system did not scale as expected, only the exterior part. And at the end of the tutorial, you will see how to automatically adjust some aspect of your Niagara system directly from the editor, like this one. So let's get started. The tutorial is based on the Energy Orb VFX UE5 Niagara tutorial from Unreal CG. I'm gonna provide the link in the description below. So first of all, do the first Energy Orb Niagara system, and after that, open your Niagara system. So you can go to your Niagara system. For me, it's this one. And if you open it, you should have something like this right here. And you should have a vortex section that has a initialized particle section. So right now you should have something like this. So set to uniform at a specific sprite size. So unfortunately, you can try to map, you could map this to a user parameter, but it would not be automatically adjusted from the editor. You will still need to adjust it from the viewport, which is not ideal. So what you need to do is you need to change the following with an expression. New expression, and simply take, you can simply add an expression like this one. So what you basically need is the engine owner scale. You can adjust it by a factor of your choice. So for example, if I do the following, it's going to be smaller. And if I do the following, it's still smaller. But on my side, I will use 150, just like that. And then save. And here is my blueprint component. So basically, it's simply a sphere illusion. As you can see, I scale it in a way it matched my Niagara system. And I have my Niagara system asset, which is the one you just saw. Let's compile and save. And now let's try it on Montar. And as you can see, the interior part of the Niagara system scaled as expected. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.